This is TCL 40SE, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install free third-party app called Turbo VPN. That's the app that allows us to, connect our device to VPN at the first place. So let's quickly get it. So now you gotta simply launch the app. In here, tap at the green continue button, then choose to enable or disable notifications from this app respectively, then skip the set, and finally, in order to establish the VPN connection, tap at this caret icon over there, confirm or accept the connection request, and the device gets successfully connected to VPN. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are currently connected to. So anyway, I'll just reconnect myself to some American server, let's say. And as you can see, it went through successfully. Finally, if you would like to turn the VPN feature off, tap at this cross icon over there, or over here, whatever. Then choose the disconnect option. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.